All right, we've come to the end, the summary of security, right? We saw that beautiful drawing that I made of the perimeter firewall and internet and internal routers. Perimeter routers, firewalls, and internal routers. Yes, that is a common design. So we can filter out traffic before it gets to our internal network. We want to do this, okay? But again, like I told you, security is about layers of many different things in place to not prevent, more discourage people from coming in, okay? Because if you make your network too secure and too complex, then your own users won't know how to get around it. And then you're really gonna make it insecure because then they're gonna keep passwords underneath their keyboards, tell their buddies, and all these different things. So the security, this is just a basic design that is most common out there, all right? Then we talked about access lists, right? There are two types, but we learned also names, right? Extended, standard. The name, instead of using numbers, we use names, okay? And remember, standard, nearest the destination. Extended, nearest the source. Why? Standard can only use source addresses. Extended can only use what? Source. It can use the protocol, the source, the destination, and the port. More specific. So, but we can use a standard access list using the BTY lines. We can apply it instead of to an interface to the BTY lines, okay? Now, we also talked about rules. Remember that implicit deny at the end, that implicit deny. So you always got, if you start with a deny, if you start with a deny, you got to put a permit at the end. If not, everything is going to be denied. Remember that. So extended access list, we already went over that. Named, instead of saying access list 1 or access list 100, you say IP access list, standard or extended, and then a name. And then when you hit enter, you're going to be in that standard or extended named ACL configuration mode. And then you say, okay, what do you want to do with this access list? Oh, I want to deny, I want to permit this host to that host and so forth. Okay. And then entering remarks, that was pretty simple, right? Standard, access list 10, remark, right? And then you make your little comment. This access list is to block my ex-wife from coming into my router. I don't know. All right, whatever. You make your comment. All right, and then monitoring, we just did it. We looked at show commands, show access list, and a particular access list you want to look at, show IP interface. Okay, show IP access, show IP access list, and then the interface, or show IP interface, show IP interface. And then it'll show you which direction the access list is. All right, things like that is what you want to remember, and this is what we've covered. All right, but you'll have this PowerPoint anyway, so you'll see all the commands and everything in there. Okay, all right. So with that said, we come to the end of ACLs. Practice makes perfect. Make sure you do, because this will be a scenario. See you in the next one.